1. Let's review indirect object and position together. If the indirect object follows the direct object, we use the preposition to or for. If the indirect object precedes the direct object, we do not use a preposition. Example: He gave the money to me. He gave me the money. I bought a present for you. I bought you a present. Do you know how to restate the following indirect object before the direct object? 1. Hunsen sent several letters to her. 2. Molly brought the magazines to me. 3. She sent flowers to them. 4. Hanmane told the whole story to us. 5. I cooked dinner for Victoria. 6. We wrote several letters to them. 7. I took the presents to her. 8. Stacey sold her property to a friend. 9. Donald Trump gave a piece of the candy to each child. 10. Don't show these pictures to anyone. Corn. Can we answer the sentences above? Let's try. 1. Hunsen sent her several letters. 2. Molly brought me the magazines. 3. She sent them the flowers. 4. Hanmane told us the whole story. 5. I cooked Victoria dinner. 6. We wrote several letters to them. 7. I took her the presents. 8. Stacey sold a friend his property. 9. Donald Trump gave each child a piece of the candy. 10. Don't show anyone these pictures. Happy and fun in English.